Utah politicians are talking health reform. Well, mostly they're talking against health reform from Washington. In caucus committee and new conferences, politicians and others are complaining about President Obama's health care reform plan. Rod Decker's at the Capitol right now, and Rod, it wasn't rowdy like some of those town hall meetings we've been hearing about. There wasn't nobody was getting shouted down, were they?
It was all civil. Almost everyone agrees health care now in America costs too much and their insurance doesn't cover too many people. But Utah politicians say they want to fix that themselves.
The state should take a leading role, if not the leading role, in health care system reform.
3 companies signed up for Utah's new state health care reform plan. Your employer would put money for you in a computer site, and you could buy your own health insurance.
The invisible hand of the market is far more important to coming up with solutions than the heavy hand of government.
Meanwhile, President Obama is trying to push a national health care reform plan through Congress. And all day, all over the Capitol, Utah politicians attacked the Obama plan. Senator Orrin Hatch told lawmakers the plan could harm seniors.
There's nothing in this legislation about patients. Their rights to choose.
A constitutional amendment.
Representative Carl Wimmer wants to amend Utah's constitution to stop Obama's health care reforms.
The citizens of Utah would not be forced by federal mandate to purchase health care.
Utahns don't like federal health care reform, but they may get it anyway.
The changes have to come from the federal level. States just don't have enough wherewithal to make the changes to the magnitude that we need them right now.
Utah leaders here say they've got a plan, give them a little time, they'll work things out. But they're just outgunned on this one. Whether Utah gets federal health care reform won't be decided here on Utah's Capitol Hill, and we'll just take what we get. Back to studio.
All right, Rod, thanks.